Hey guys, it's me, Janaya,
My name is Yodit.
and we're going to show you how to do chemical formulas. I'm going to teach you the basics of the mango not have a Roman number, even though they are metals. It depends on if they're transition metals. Full gases. And those are the basics for everything. So the first problem that we're going to show you will be aluminum plus nitrogen. So, technical difficulties. So the first thing we're going to show you is the charges. Aluminum charge -3, and nitrogen charge would be +3 due to where it lands on the periodic table. So when you do Al3, you're going to want to cross it over. So you can do the formula, and then you want to cross this over. -3 and +3 clash together, so it would just make a charge. And you don't have to add the charge, so you would just add Al and N to make it that. And now I will show you the name, which would be aluminum nitrate. Which then the prefix would be 8. And that would be an ionic bond. Now my partner will show you the next one.
Hello guys, I'm gonna show you phosphorus and sulfur plus sulfur. So guys, phosphorus have P4, and then
Phosphorus, which is the oxygen bond. So it would be P4O2. And sulfur. Okay.
So it's gonna be P4, and then S, and then it's gonna be P and oxygen. Phosphorus plus sulfur is P oxygen, P4 oxygen 2.
This, and because it's actually really hard to do. If you see that since it's us, it would technically be because it's adding an oxygen. So then you would change, the final solution would be PS2O, like that. And then since it's a 2 right here, you put phosphorus tri to tetra phosphorus disulfide. And the reason why you would change into I from an us is because it is a covalent bond. Francium
and hydroxide.
and hydroxide. So, francium and hydroxide is a little bit different because it's not ionic or covalent bond. So you don't have to do the tris and the dis and the decas and the trechas and the changes. So, francium plus hydroxide. As you can see with this one, hydrogen is already changed with the ending with oxide, showing that the symbol would be
FR.
Fr. This one would be H
HO.
because of hydrogen. Because of the oxide shows that it's a oxygen. Shows that it has an oxygen atom in it, in fact. So you would add an O. If you look at them all together, when you add them up together, you put FrHO, which would make it a base acid. And a polyatomic. And since it's a polyatomic, you can actually change the prefixes. So if you do the charges, hydrogen has a negative charge. And so that would actually make it FrHO negative 2. And now we'll be doing our
Hydrogen plus sulfur. Hydrogen have S is gonna be S, and then it's gonna be different, but it just it's gonna be crossed like H. Sulfur is gonna this is for sulfur, and then for hydrogen it's gonna be H2S, and then hydrogen is gonna be hydrosulfur. Yeah, hydrosulfur, and then hydrosulfide. Sulfide is gonna the additive is ITE, and then basically hydrosulfide is gonna be given to us basic vacation. Basic vacation. Okay, basic vacation is gonna covalent is gonna be covalent Bonner. Hydrosulfide is gonna be given to us covalent Bonner. So I'm done.
So to sum it up for you, what she pretty much is saying is that hydrogen plus sulfur would make a base of this for a picture, a name of hydrosulfite because it is a basic reaction in a covalent bond. The symbol for hydrogen is H, and the symbol for sulfur is S. The 2 is how many atoms it has. So it will turn into I because of the 2 and because of its covalent bond. And now, if you have a chemical compound like acetate, it would be C2H3O2 negative. And it will cause this to be a polyatomic. And you would change the name. Say that you added a transition metal like we talked about earlier, iron, which symbol is Fe and has a Roman numeral like this one. So if you would add these 2 together, you would make it a name of iron acetate. And the prefix will stay as 8 because it's already changed from being a polyatomic, which goes around and comes back again. Thank you for staying tuned and watching our chemical formulas. Yeah.